If you are in Ghana and you want to know how to buy and ship products online at a very cheap rate, here is the best way to do it. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification button so you never miss any of my next uploads. First of all, in order for you to successfully ship any products online, you need two things. You need a supplier and a shipping agent. Now, for the suppliers, if you don't know about 1688.com, then I introduce 1688.com to you, which is also part of Alibaba group of companies. You can choose to buy from Alibaba directly due to its popularity, but I prefer 1688 because it's wholesale and cheaper. Even sellers on Alibaba, eBay and Amazon do buy products from suppliers from 1688 and sell it on all those sites. You can compare the prices across the sites to verify yourself. Now, as you can see here, I've used this method in the past to purchase a Dell Latitude. I also have friends who have used and are still using this method without any complaints. Now, about the shipping agent, you can buy the goods from 1688 through chrisvicmall.com, which is a shipping agent based in Ghana, Nigeria and China. So now click on sign up to create an account. Since chrisvicmall has a branch with agents in China, they will personally purchase the goods themselves for you. You have to deposit the money for the goods in your chrisvicmall account. This you can do easily by mobile money here. You can pick up their number on the page and they'll guide you through the process. After depositing, you can see a balance in the chrisvicmall dashboard. Now, to buy any product, go to 1688.com, type in the name of the product in the search bar and search. Now, when you have your results, translate the page from Chinese to English. Search through the products, and when you are done, click the one of your choice. When the next page opens and the products have been fetched for you successfully, copy the address of the website in the address bar. Now head on to your chrisvicmall account. In chrisvicmall, go to menu. In menu, go to procurement. Under procurement, choose 1688 orders. In 1688 orders, paste the site link in the search bar with the tag fetch or order item and fetch the item. If you are really sure you want to buy the product, you add the product to the cart. You can also add to your wish list if you wish to buy later. After successfully adding the product to cart, go back to 1688 orders in your chrisvicmall. Click on view cart. In your cart, you can update the amount of items you wish to buy or remove the item. Click on calculate cost if you wish to proceed. chrisvicmall will calculate the cost for you. You can pay half of the cost for the items to start being shipped to Ghana. Now, upon successfully choosing a plan, chrisvicmall agents will start processing your order by contacting the suppliers and will be updating you throughout the process. You can also be checking your dashboard from time to time in order to know where and how far your items have reached. When the goods are in, they will contact you to let you know. You can also confirm from the dashboard. You can choose to go to their main branch in Circle to receive the goods, or you can let them deliver it to you at any part of Ghana at an extra cost. Well, that's it for today. If you have any doubts or inquiries to make, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try to answer you as fast as I can. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button and see you in my next video.